During the event talaga, sobrang daming moment na pwede kang ma-stress. Kung hindi ka marunong mag-handle ng emotions mo, talagang magpapanik ka. Normally kasi talaga, ine-explain din namin sa mga kliyente na on the day, kami yung stress absorber nila eh. Kumbaga, we always trying to make sure na on the day, hindi sila mai-stress. Kasi normally, ang event kasi, especially the wedding, ang preparation niyan is for a year. And then, ang execution is only a one day. So, yun lang yung ano. Then, one day kami, okay lang kaming ma-stress during the preparation, but we are ready to be stressed on the day. Kasi, that's the service that you avail to us. Yun yung binayaran mo sa amin. Absorb namin lahat ng stress, i-organize namin lahat, i-execute namin lahat. And then you're just gonna enjoy the moment. Us, as an event planner, we are really emotionally ready din sa any emotions na mararamdaman namin. But we organize also our emotions. You know, for example, my favorite part of the wedding is yung papasok na yung bride sa simbahan. Yun. Kasi, lagi akong naiiyak sa ganun. Very emotional siya on our part kasi before mangyari yon, talagang maraming kaming nire-ready namin yung mind ng bride na, ma'am, enjoy the moment, walk slowly, huwag ka po masyadong umiyak para maganda ka sa camera, smile ka lang, look straight, ganon. So maraming preparation, maraming mental na words na kailangan mong sabihin sa bride bago siya pumasok. In the last episode, I talked about why I create. But today, I want to talk about the space where a lot of the creation happens, which is the events. Not the glamorous side, but the real side. Welcome to Cebu. This is a space for conversation about creating beautiful things, whether that's events, ideas, growth, or moments that matter. I'm Jerome, and this is the beginning.